Question 1.3. Here we are given two reactions and we need to deduce the IUPAC names of the unknown compounds. Here we have called the unknown compounds X and Y. Let's look at reaction 1. The reactant molecule is an alcohol. In the paper we were given a condensed formula, but here we have expanded it a bit, which helps us identify it as an alcohol, since it has a hydroxy functional group. There are 4 carbons in the chain, and so the root name is but, and we can number the chain starting on the end closest to the functional group. There are no double or triple bonds in the chain, and so it is a saturated compound, and the name becomes butan. Since the hydroxy group is on carbon number 2, the suffix is 2-ol, so this alcohol is butan 2-ol. We are told the alcohol is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. We need to know that concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating acid, and the reaction is therefore a dehydration reaction. This means that a water molecule is removed from the compound. But where did the water come from? It came from the hydroxy group and the adjacent hydrogen. When an alcohol is dehydrated, it forms an alkene, which has a double bond between the 2 carbon atoms which lost the water molecule. Alkenes are unsaturated. This alkene has 4 carbons, so the root name is but. We number this alkene from the end closest to the double bond, and since the alkene is symmetrical, we can number it like this, or like this. The suffix is -ene, indicating that the compound contains a carbon-carbon double bond. We need to indicate where in the chain the double bond is. The double bond is between carbons 2 and 3, and so in the name we write the position of the double bond using the lower number of the 2 carbons involved. So this alkene is but-2-ene. But-2-ene is then used in reaction 2. We are told it is a hydrogenation reaction. This means one of the reactants is hydrogen gas. Alkenes can undergo addition reactions, where the double bond opens up and 2 new groups or atoms add on to the 2 carbon atoms where the double bond was. In the case of hydrogenation, one hydrogen atom adds onto one of the carbon atoms, and the other hydrogen atom onto the other carbon atom. Since each carbon atom in the product has 4 single bonds, the compound is saturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. The IUPAC name of a 4-carbon straight-chain alkane is butane. Finally, the IUPAC names are but-2-ene and butane, which is answer B.